Vegas Ringtone.
And you know what it is? It's your boy B Towns, man, of the world famous Bomb Squad. Ooh, didn't know. Anyway, we right here at Power 88 in the Power 88 control room, and I'm gonna let you know I got my Veg Ringtone t-shirt, man. You gotta get yours, man. And get that Veg Ringtone. Download it right now on any social media platform. This boy putting it on for you. The city, he rocking it. Vegas Ringtone is going down right now. Get yours. I got mine.
Here to download the Veg Ringtone.
All right, y'all, I'm getting my Veg Ringtone and the gear. For my boy Mike, y'all should do it too.
Boy DJ Trump, man. Hey, Veg Ringtone. Say Veg Ringtone. Every time you speak, Veg Ringtone.
Yeah, what up, Vegas? It's your boy Bonafide. If you ain't repping the Veg Ringtone, you ain't repping Vegas. Dig that. Shout out to my boy Mike Elliott doing his thing. Las Vegas, stand up.
Veg Ringtone, more than bread, baby. Bam! Get your t-shirt and get your ringtone. Hello. Boom!
The Veg Ringtone family, they are doing amazing work.
We're live and me and my ministry. Listen, get ready because you're going to see me in this Sunday morning in the pulpit when we come back from our men's retreat. I want to give a shout out to my brother for thinking about us. We in the building today.
Get the Veg Ringtone.
Well, welcome to the team, sir.
From the 323 to the 702.
If you don't listen to nothing else, support this Veg Ringtone, man. It's the bomb, it's what it is, and let's go.
The Veg Ringtone, if you don't got one, get you one. Veg Ringtone, Mike Elliott.
The Veg Ringtone is going down. You gotta get it. Designer. Yeah. Mike, tell him. Peace. Happy birthday. Get the Veg Ringtone.